Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails. I'm so excited you are joining me today. We are going to have so much fun. Now let's get started.
Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Available in peach, gardenia, or fragrance-free. And I will be using my limited edition glass decanter spray that is refillable. And it's so pretty. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Remove the polish using fast acting polish remover available in peach or gardenia. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Just peel it off the little backing and stick it on. Now I'm going to etch the nail the way the nail grows. Push back the cuticle. Put little scratches in the nail. Make sure there's no shiny spots. Properly etching the nail eliminates 75% of lifting. And it's very light. Let the etcher do the work. Just scratching the surface. And do this until you have no shiny spots. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle using my pterygium stone. Go with the way the nail grows. Pushing back the cuticle and removing any excess skin that's grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this will cause lifting. Your pterygium stone is extra insurance against lifting. Now I'm going to dust off the nail using my washable disinfectable plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply non-lifting nail primer, and I always make sure my primer is in a primer holder so it doesn't spill, and I use a little towelette to wipe off my brush. I dab my towelette before I apply primer to my nail so I don't oversaturate the nail with primer. And I wipe off my brush before I place it back into my bottle so I don't contaminate my primer. I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Form. Split it. Hold the form with your thumbs facing the client. Put a curve in your form. Going to place this curve under the free edge. Stick down the sides. Stick down the little wings. Secure your form. I will be using my large flat Kolinsky Red Sable nail brush, my S-Set Summer Nail Liquid, my Deep Well Heavy Ceramic Dapping Dish, and my P4 nail powder. Now my first coat of primer has dried. This killed the germs on the nail and dried out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer. So my primer is wet when I apply my acrylic. This promotes adhesion and prevents lifting. And I always use a towelette. This keeps my brush clean and helps keep down on fumes. This is going to be a longer nail, so I will be using a larger free edge ball. Dip your brush all the way in your liquid. Only wipe off your brush a little bit. You need that liquid in your brush. So when you drag across your powder, you can get a nice large ball. Place this ball onto the free edge area. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Bring it up. Pat it out. Bring in your side. Bring in your side. Pat it out. I'm going to stroke it out towards the tip. Taper this tip in. Get just how you like it. Clean up the tip. Wipe off your brush. This is my nail bed ball. This is a smaller ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe off more liquid. Just drag a little bit in your powder. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. This is your cuticle ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe off a little bit more liquid. Pick up a small ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow. 1, 2, 3. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in. This is your stress ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe it away. Drag towards you. This is a medium-sized ball. Place this ball almost at the cuticle area. Let it flow. Stroke it out. Side, side, center. This builds up a nice little arch in the nail. Strengthens the nail. Wipe off your brush. The nail is starting to dry. Now I'm going to squeeze the C-curve. Start at the nail bed, applying pressure. Work your way out towards the free edge, out to the tip, putting a nice curve in that nail. This makes the nail really strong, and it makes it nice and narrow, which makes a really pretty nail. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long-lasting zebra and my disposable clean finish buffer. So easy. Just peel off the back. Stick it onto your plastic core. This core can be disinfected. Then you just throw away your file and your buffer after you finish. Super easy. Then you have a nice clean file for every client. I will be scoring the edge of my file using my etcher. So when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth. And then just throw away my etcher. I'm going to remove my nail form. I like to pinch together the tip, and it makes it come off easier. I will be filing my nail in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 zebra. Step number 1, straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, straight out from the nail groove on the right. Hold the finger securely. Come straight out. Step number 3, shape the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square. So I hold my file straight up and down, hold my finger securely, and go back and forth. Step number 4 is the cuticle area and the top of the nail. Holding the finger securely, go down on the side, across the top, nice long strokes, and down on the other side. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. And there's a little road where you have product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and file my product flush with the natural nail. Get it nice and smooth. Nice long strokes. Nice long strokes. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. So you want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Bevel down towards the tip. Now I'm going to buff the nail using my clean finish buffer. Nice long strokes. Get it nice and smooth around the cuticle area. Down on the side. Keep a good grip on that finger. Across the top. Down on the other side. Out towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. Take the little sharp edges off. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. I will be applying Flawless Foundation Base Gel. Going to apply this over the entire nail. Nice long strokes. Very lightly. Cap the tip. You don't want it to get thick. Cure 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini LED, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Summertime Fine, a neon yellow, Stay Weird, a neon green, Sweet Escape, a neon peach, and Euphoria, a neon fuchsia, along with my Artist Collection oval brush and my Artist Collection liner, my ceramic palette, and my towelette. I will be putting a drop of each color on my ceramic palette in the order that I will be using them. My first color is going to be my Summertime Fine. My second color is Sweet Escape. Your next color is Stay Weird. My next color is Euphoria. These colors are so pretty and they look beautiful together. I will be doing the tie-dye Lovin design. And what I love about this design is you can't mess it up. My first color is going to be my Summertime Fine. Start right where you want your smile line. Start in the center. And just bring it over to the right. Like I said, you can't mess it up. Wipe off your brush. Clean off your brush in your Clean It. My second color is Sweet Escape. I'm going to put this color right next to Summertime Fine. Go from side to side. Super easy. I love this design. Wipe off your brush. Clean it off. Your next color is Stay Weird. Again, right next to Sweet Escape. Want them to fade into each other. Wipe off your brush. My next color is Euphoria. Just go from side to side. Add a little bit more of that. Wipe off your brush. Now, I'm just going to draw down and bring these colors together. You can do as much or as little as you want. Keep your brush clean. There we go. So fun. That is such a pretty, super easy, fun design. Now I'm going to make my smile line using my oval brush. Start at the center. Keep your brush clean. Get that smile just how you like it. Super easy, super fun. Now I'm going to cure the nail 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now I'm going to apply Flawless Finish, a super high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Very lightly cap the tip. Cure 30 seconds in your Mighty Mini LED, 45 seconds in a regular LED, or 2 minutes in UV. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This is wonderful for the cuticles and to help the nails grow really healthy. Now you have your P4 sculptured nail with tie-dye Lovin design. Super fun, great summer design. Your clients are going to love this.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.